Kari from Avari Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I remove some of the lashes. So you can do this during fills or if you want to do a new set. So the first thing I'm going to do on the sides, I'm going to show you a couple methods that I like to do for removing the natural lashes from the extensions. My favorite way of removing extensions from the natural lash is to do the banana peel. So what you do is you grab the extension with the tweezers, and with the other tweezers you grab the natural lash and you just pull in separate directions and it pops right off. So again, I'll show you. You find the extension and then the natural hair and you pull and it comes right off. And there's absolutely no damage to her natural lashes when you're doing that. Another method that you could do, if there's enough room and let's say you don't see a natural lash that sticks out like this, if like sometimes they might have been glued accidentally or just glued right along with the extension. So you could go to the bottom. So I grab the extension, I grab the bottom and I just sort of wiggle and it just pops right off that way too. But you want to be careful not to pull or tug at the natural lash at the bottom, just because that could cause a little discomfort. So again, you just sort of grab the base with with the tweezers, you do a little wiggle and it pops off. And then this one you just do the banana peel, it comes right off. This one will do a little wiggle at the bottom. And I'm glad this one's a little bit tricky because this is real life. Not everything is going to come off super easily. So just make sure that you take your time and eventually you'll find how to remove it and it'll be fine. And that's how I do my removal, you guys. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure that you like it and subscribe. Also, check me out on Instagram at the Avari Beauty. And leave a comment below if you'd like to see other kinds of videos from me. I'd be happy to create more for you guys. And you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.